Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you notice a strange red X icon appearing on your files, folders, or desktop shortcuts in Windows 11, it almost always indicates a cloud synchronization error, most commonly with Microsoft OneDrive. I will show you exactly how to resolve this sync conflict and restore your normal icons right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason for this red X overlay is that your OneDrive account is either paused, disconnected, or completely out of cloud storage space. Click the OneDrive Cloud icon located in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar near the clock. Check the top of the flyout menu for any warning messages stating your storage is full or the sync is paused. If prompted, either delete unnecessary files online to free up space, or click the Settings gear and select Resume Syncing. Next, if your storage is not full but the red errors remain, the internal sync connection is likely corrupted and needs a quick reset. Click the OneDrive Cloud icon on your taskbar again, click the gear icon in the top right corner, and select Settings. Navigate to the Account tab on the left sidebar and click the specific link that says Unlink this PC. Sign back in to your Microsoft account when the setup window automatically appears to rebuild a fresh, healthy connection. Finally, if you don't even use OneDrive or the errors persist, Windows itself may be glitching and displaying outdated icon overlays. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type taskkill /im explorer.exe /f and press Enter to temporarily shut down your desktop interface. Type DEL /A /Q %local app data %iconcache.db and press Enter. Then type Start explorer.exe and press Enter to instantly reload and fix your icons. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.